The 2020 monitor is laid out to where basically all of the squares around here can be touched and something can come up. First thing you'll definitely need to do is go to Setup. That will take you to the different tabs along the top here. Most of the changes are just going to be done in the plant tab. Right now it's a different color. That's the one that is selected. This is where you can go in and change your different fields. If you want to change a field, you just select the white box around it, and then you can scroll through the fields to find the one that you want. If you wanted to select 351 buckler, select it. Over at the right it says make active. You've made that active. If you need to change a variety or a hybrid, it says corn hybrid, you would select corn hybrids. Over here is where the different hybrids are located, and then if you wanted a different hybrid within those, you would just select it. I'm going to select the one that's current. It will ask you what rows you want that hybrid to be under. You would hit list, and then it gives you, if there's an X over it, it's not being used. You just unexit, and then 2 now would you're telling it that row number 2 now has that hybrid going to it also. So you can hit enter after you've selected the rows that you wanted, and then you would do that for the other hybrid if you're using refuge. Hit home, and then it takes you back to the home screen. Every time you switch any setting, be it population or field name, here's population, you hit the population button, and then you type in the population that you want. Every time you change a setting in this system and you hit home, this Air Force needs to be re-enabled. Right now it's disabled because it's yellow. You have to select the Air Force button and then enable control. And then once it turns green, you select it back, and as you can see, it turned back to green. Vacuum, smaller seed kernels, you can run vacuum around 19 inches of vacuum for each one. You get it up to the heavier kernels, around 21 to 22 on each vacuum. So pretty